Hello community, Sandra Lemming here, and I'm going to actually show you how you can save some of the images from template pages inside of your DBL Site Builder website. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do that. Now, the first thing I'm going to show you how to do is we're going to create a new page, right? And I mean, you can delete these pages, so you can create a new page, delete it, whatever, as often as you like to get the images that you want. Okay, so I'm going to click on Add New. And I'm going to call this, I'm just going to give it a quick title. I'm just going to call it Landing Page 2. And then I'm going to click Publish. I probably should go down and do the Astra settings. So I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to do the Astra settings and I'm going to remove the sidebar. No sidebar. I'm going to go full width stretched, and then I'm going to disable the primary header and I'm going to disable the title, and then I'm going to scroll up and I'm going to click Update. Now, if you want your page to look like this, like mine, because you feel that this is an easier setup than the block editor that you're using, I use a plugin called Classic Editor. Classic Editor plugin, right? So I use a plugin called Classic Editor to get this effect here. Right, so now we're going to go to the page and we're going to view the page, and then we're going to go into DBL Site Builder. So once that loads, we're going to hit DBL Site Builder. Then we're going to put a page template here. So we're going to find a page template that we like the images, and then I'm going to show you how you can get those images, how you can download them, upload them to your website so that they're saved, so that they're your images, all right? So let's go in here, let's go to templates, and this will work for any templates, whether it be landing page templates, and I mean you've got all these other templates, you've got content pages, you've got your DBL Power Packs, it'll work for any of these. So I'm just going to go with the landing pages for the moment. I'm going to scroll down here and find some images on the landing page that I would like to keep. So let's come down here a little bit. Right, this has got a fair few images on it. So is this one. Let's go with this one here with the surfer and stuff like that, right? Just, you know, because I don't have any images like this on my site. So I'm going to click on that and it's going to load up here. I'm just going to let it load, taking its time. Loading, loading, loading. There we go. It has loaded. It's a slider image up the top. This could be a little bit difficult, but that's okay. But I've got plenty of images to choose from, right? So then I've got all the images down here as well. I'm going to show you how to get those. So I'm going to now click Done. Then I'm going to click Publish. All right, so the page is published. Now, obviously with a slider, you can't right click on a photo and save the image, right? And once you've published it and you go into your WordPress dashboard, and then, you go into Media Library, you'll notice that the images aren't in here anywhere from that particular page. So if I go back to that page, landing page 2, and I view that page, I'm just going to view it in a new tab. I want to get my hands on some of these images, right? Now with the slider images, that's a little bit different. You're gonna have to do them the same as the hero image. So if it was just one image up here instead of lots of slider images, you would have to do that something different as well. But I'm going to show you how to get how to do that in a minute. What I'm going to do is say you scroll down here. And there's some of these images here that you would like, right? So say this image here, you would like this image here. You can actually right click on that image. I don't know how you do that with an Apple. I'm using a Windows laptop with a mouse. So I would right click and I would copy the image address. And then I can actually open that image up all on its own in its own window. And once I've got it opened up here in its own window, then I can right click on it and I can save image as, right? And then I can download this image. So I'll put it into a picture folder. I can create a new folder, whatever I want to do. It's a landscape image. I can leave the details attached to it if I want, or I can change the name before I download it. It's entirely up to me, but I'm just going to stick it in this folder here that says new folder. So I'm just going to click on that and I'm going to go open and I'm going to save it in there. So I've now saved that image and I can use that image at a later date or on another page on my website. Not that I know why you would want to do this, or maybe you want to use this page but you want the images saved in the media file. I'll show you how to do that. So I'll close that, and you can do the same with these as well. You can go copy image address, open up image address, paste, save. And save it into the new folder. Save. I probably should have saved it into a different folder, but that's okay. You get the gist of it, right? Copy image address. I can save the image directly from here. You might not be able to, but if you have to copy the image address, copy it. I'm just going to save it right there. Right, now these hero images, how do we save or get the link to these hero images so we can upload them to our media file on our WordPress website? Well, we're going to click on DBL Site Builder. Excuse me, sorry about that. And I'm not going to show you all of them. I'm just going to pick one or two of them. And you'll know, like if you come across something like this, you can do something like that yourself. Right, so I'm going to come to here. And once I'm on edit mode, I'm going to go into edit here. So as you can see, I'm in the slideshows here. So basically, it's just a matter of finding where the images are. There's the feed URL just there. Playback. This is probably not the greatest of ones to do this with. So I'm just going to get out of that. Let's see if we can. There we go. I'm going to save this image, the one of them on the bike. And let's go through some more here. I'm going to say the dog. No. No, I don't want to save the dog. That's text, that cancel that. So that's how you change the text there. I'm going to save the image of the car. And let's see if we can get these to scroll. Don't want that one. This is a bit hard with the sliders because they have effects. And let's go, let's just go with the two that we've got, right? The couple that we've got. I'm going to click done. And I'm going to click publish. Alrighty, so then I'm going to go into my dashboard. I'm going to go into my media. And I mean, you can see that you haven't got the images. I mean, some of the images from some of the pages will actually automatically upload to your website. Others won't because they'll be, a different template. But I'm going to go here and I'm going to go to add to media, and those few that I saved, I'm going to go to here. Go to the new folder and find those images. If I can remember what they are, there's the car image, so I'm going to upload that. Open. And then I'm going to select another one while that's uploading. And there's the bike one, and open that. And then I'm going to select a couple of those other ones that I saved if I can find them. There's the photographer. I'll save that. And then I'll upload another one. Which is that one there. And upload the wedding one. There. Alrighty, so you can see there, that's how you can get some images from pages and page templates that you want to use inside of your website, just simply like that. There was another page that I did do. Let me go into pages here, pages, all pages, which is a pretty standard landing page. I think it was called Hope, landing page 1. Let me view that. Okay, and these images here, I was able to easily just save these, so I'll just do this here. I'll go to pictures, and I'll just save that one. And I'll save image as. Save and save. Now you can still do the same thing. I mean, you can click on any one of these, right? You can click on it, right click on it. If you've got a mouse or whatever, if you're using an Apple or whatever, use your command keys. And you can copy the image address, right? And you can open it up in a new tab, and you can see which server it's hosted on. So I can paste it in there. I can open it up. So it's over at beaverbuilder.com there. Once you've got it opened here, it makes it easier for you to save the image or copy the image, whatever, right? Or open it in a new tab, but you're in a new tab anyway. So, you can save the image there. That's how you can do that. Now, the hero image is a little bit different on these pages. You can't sort of right click and save those. So what you need to do is you need to click on DBL Site Builder. And once you've got the DBL Site Builder opened in the right place, then you can just click on the image and you can go in and edit the image, because you know it's a background image. So if you wanted this image here with the little girl with the plaited ponytails from the back view, you come in here, you'd edit it, you'd open it up in here, you'd scroll down to the background image here, and then you can right click on that image and you can copy the image address there. Yes, I could have just saved the image myself, but I didn't. There you go. So there's the image there. Then I can right click and I can save the image. And voila, save. There we go. And then I can just go back to my website here. I can click done, publish, go back into my media files. Media. Coming into my library here. And then if I want to, because I haven't got those images there either, excuse me, then I can click on Add New, I can click Select Files. This is about the 4th tutorial video I've done today. I can go to Pictures. I can go down here and here's all of those images there. So I can then click on them to upload, and there's a hero image. And then I can upload the other 3 images. Go. And there you go. So then I have those page images saved onto my website as well. And I also have them saved on a file on my computer. So there you go. That's how easy it is to just, copy a page. Then you can delete the pages if you want. Not that I would know why you would want to delete your template pages, but if you want to save your images in your media file here, that's the easiest way to do it. But template pages are designed to sort of save you a lot of time. So when you do a template page, so I'll go to the simple landing page that I uploaded, not the photographer one. So I'll go to landing page 1, right, this one here. Now this landing page I installed from templates, right? Basically what I can do is I can keep the images, I can keep the coloring, and all I've got to do, I can even keep these titles if I want, right? If they, work with what I'm doing. I mean, because it goes to read more, it can go to, a more in-depth page, or these could be blog posts, right? So, I can use these images as featured images on some blog posts. And I can change these titles here if I want, and I can have that read more go to blog post, and I can have a little bit of information here going to a blog post. So basically I would just edit, live life to the fullest. I would just put some information there and edit this and put a button there. I would just edit that information there if I needed to, but I would probably keep it because it's a great quote from Walt Disney, so I'd leave that quote there. And I might just, we can help, and I would put some information there, and that link there would go, back up to the top here to this button here or whatever. And I would put some information underneath this, New Horizons, reach new heights, and I would put some information under that. You don't even necessarily have to keep the read mores. You can get rid of those. But, all of these read mores might go to a how it works page or something like that, or your money post page, right, on your website, and you can just not have a button there. And you can have this as a landing page that you could use in an advertising because you've got no links up there to anything else. You can easily remove that down below, and that would make a really nice landing page, right? For an ad. And you could link this here back to the money post page if you wanted to, or, something else, but it's entirely up to you how you do things. Anyway, this is Sandra Lemming signing off. Bye for now.